Hi, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Have you ever felt a little nervous ordering coffee in English? Wondering what to say or how to say it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through a super common situation, ordering a drink at a coffee shop. First, we'll watch a simple dialogue. Then, we'll break it down sentence by sentence so you understand everything perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll be ordering your next latte like a pro. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, welcome to the Daily Grind. What can I get for you today? Hi. Can I get a large iced latte with oat milk, please? Sure thing. Anything else? Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin. Great choice. Would you like that warmed up? Oh, yes, please. That would be great. All right. So, that's one large iced latte with oat milk and one warmed blueberry muffin. Will that be all for you? Yes, that's everything. Okay, your total is $9.50. Are you paying with cash or card? I'll pay with card. Perfect. Just tap or insert your card here. And, can I get a name for the order? It's Sarah. Got it, Sarah. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. We'll call your name when it's up. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day. All right, how was that? Pretty simple, right? Now, let's break down the dialogue, line by line, to make sure you understand every single word and can use these phrases yourself. Let's start with the barista. The first thing they said was, "Hi, welcome to the Daily Grind. What can I get for you today?" What can I get for you today is a very common and friendly way to ask for your order. It's just like saying, "How can I help you?" or "What would you like?" You'll hear this in cafes, restaurants, and shops all the time. My response was, "Hi. Can I get a large iced latte with oat milk, please?" Let's look at this phrase, "Can I get?" This is the perfect, polite way to start your order. You can use it for anything. Can I get a coffee? Can I get a sandwich? Then, I specified the size, large, the type of drink, iced latte, and a special request, with oat milk. Notice I finished with please. Adding please makes your request much more polite. So remember the formula, can I get a plus, your order, plus please? Next, the barista asked, "Sure thing. Anything else?" Sure thing is a very informal and friendly way of saying of course or yes, and anything else is the standard question to ask if you want to add more items to your order. I wanted something else, so I said, "Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin." The phrase, "I'd also like," is another great way to add something to your order. I'd like is a contraction of I would like, which is a very polite way to say I want. So, you can say I'd like a muffin or I'll have a muffin. Both are great options. The barista then said, "Great choice. Would you like that warmed up?" Great choice is just a nice, positive comment. The important part is the question, would you like that warmed up? This is a common offer for pastries, like muffins, croissants, or cookies. It means, do you want them to heat it for you? My answer was, oh, yes, please. That would be great. This is a very enthusiastic and polite way to accept their offer. You could also simply say, yes, please, but adding, that would be great, shows you appreciate the suggestion. Then, the barista confirmed my entire order. This is very important. They said, all right. So that's 1 large iced latte, with oat milk, and 1 warmed blueberry muffin. They do this to make sure they got your order correct before you pay. Listen carefully here to make sure everything is right. After confirming, they asked, will that be all for you? This is another way of asking anything else? It's a final check before completing the transaction. I confirmed by saying, yes, that's everything. This tells the barista that you are finished ordering. Simple and direct. Now for the payment part. The barista said, okay, your total is $9.50. Are you paying with cash or card? They state the total amount your total is, and then ask how you want to pay. Cash or card is the most common way to ask this. I chose my payment method, I'll pay with card. I'll pay with is the standard phrase. You could say, I'll pay with cash, or I'll pay with card. You can also just say, card, please, or cash, please. The barista gives instructions, perfect. Just tap or insert your card here. This is very straightforward. And then, a very important question, and can I get a name for the order? They ask for your name, so they can call you when your order is ready. This is very common in busy coffee shops. I gave my name, it's Sarah. The barista confirmed, got it, Sarah. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. We'll call your name when it's up. Got it means, I understand. They then give you an estimate of the waiting time in just a few minutes and explain the process. We'll call your name when it's up. When it's up is a casual way of saying when it's ready. Finally, I said, thank you so much, and the barista replied, you're welcome. Have a great day. It's always nice to end the interaction with a thank you. And have a great day is a friendly and common closing. And that's it. See? You've just learned a complete, natural conversation for ordering at a coffee shop. The key phrases are, can I get? I'd also like, and being ready to answer questions like anything else, or cash or card. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel much more confident. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos just like this one. Let me know in the comments what you like to order at a coffee shop. See you in the next video.
Bye.